Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This time I'm going to show you my Filmi project. So let's start. First of all, let me take you to the browser where I've already opened my Filmi project. Here you can see this is the home screen with some cool CSS animation and this blinking effect of favorite button. Here this is a search box where if I search any movie, let's say Batman or Night Now, it will automatically show me the suggestions, and then when it will fetch the data from the server side. When I click on any of the movie, let's say if I click on this movie, it will give all the details relating to that particular movie, and let's add it to the favorite. And here's also that cool animation. Also moving on, if I click on the favorite button, here you can see that movie that we have added to the favorite is now here on this favorite.html page, and here we can remove it from favorite also, since this is stored in a local storage. If I even close my browser, it will stay in there. Let me open it again. Here, as you can see, if I click my favorite button, the movie is still there since it is already stored in local storage. Now if I delete it from, if I want to delete it from local storage, first of all I have to click from remove from favorites. So when I click from remove from favorites, it will be removed from the local storage also. And if I click on Filmi button, it will take me back to the home page. So this is all. And now if I show you my code, first of all, this is my index.html, which is the entry point for the project. As you can see, there's the logo and search bar. Also there's the favorite icon. Moving on, there are some hard-coded image source that you saw on the front end of the page. And then this is the favorite.html, where it contains the favorite page of the app. Here when we save them, when we click save button, the movie is stored on this favorite.html page. So now let me show you the JavaScript part. Here first of all, we fetch the movie from the API using fetch, and as you can see, here is the URL from where we want to fetch the data. And then if the response is true, then only we want to display the movie list. And finding movie, as you can see, I've written this will check the length of the entered input in search bar. That means only if the value is greater than 0, the value that you entered, then only the class change will be shown. Whether we have to show the list of movies or not is dependent on the length. Okay, and now moving on to the third function, it will show me the movies that matches the search value. Okay, anything that you enter on the in the search bar, the same API will check if that matches the same string from the data, and will give you back that same exact data. So here you can see this is the code for it. Now this append child will append all the result in a div below each other that you saw earlier. When I searched Batman, many movies were showing in the search below the search bar. That's what it does. Now load movie details is what happens when we click on that movie. It will show all the movie details regarding that. Then moving on, it will show all the data. It will show all the data of that movie, like genre and year, type, directors, etc. Now this is the add to favorite button, where when we click on the movie that we want to save as to add to favorite, it will be added to a favorite side. And this is how to store it in local storage. Moving on, this is to show that which movies are saved in our favorite.html. And this is the code for it. And lastly, this code to delete the movie from the local storage and as well as from the favorite.html page. So this is all. Thank you guys and have a nice day.